You did. You did. Don't buy her sweets, everybody. Poisonous. This one I like about the streets.
Laugh out loud. Lol. What's happening, people? My name is Fernand. I'm talking to you here from Sussex University, my old stomping ground for 3 years, to tell you about this amazing event, Laugh Out Loud, coming on the 6th of November at Comedia with a K. So what are you guys doing on a Wednesday night? Nothing? Come and get a laugh on. We've got comedians, we've got games, we've got all kinds of stuff, featuring yours truly, hosted by the comedian himself as Mr. Ado Comedian.
Yes, that's correct. I will be there on the night, so you have to make sure that you are here. You understand? You have to make sure you come through at Comedia event. It's going to be fantastic. We have many comedians there coming to shut down the thing. Don't be late. Make sure your smart guy is hard. She dumped me last weekend. I haven't recovered yet, but we have to keep on smiling. I'm going to try and get back to back before Wednesday, the 6th of November.
Laugh Out Loud, 6th of November, comedian. Come down there.
Look at that face.
#LOL Brighton and keep on acting us and keep on doing what you're doing. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.
Doesn't even have credit. How will he call her? How will he even test the number is correct? So me and my babe to be. We are excited.